Hey everyone, my name is Eric. I'm going to give you a quick demo of Conveyr. I've been working on this for a while, so I really hope you like it. Hope it resonates with some of you. Let's have a look. Okay, so I created my inbound assistant. Let's give it a name here. Okay, who are we going to use? Oh, I use Chloe's actually cool.
Hello, I'm Chloe, here to lend a hand with a smile. How can I make things easier for you today?
Yeah. If you're having any problems with any of these, just look at the tooltip. They'll tell you what it is and what the metric is for that one. So if you are in a heavily regulated industry and you must obscure personal information, you might want to turn this off. But you'll also lose the transcripts and you'll also lose the recordings. So I'm going to explain a new technology that we're going to integrate that will allow you to do the recordings and keep the transcripts. All that personal information will be obfuscated, meaning you won't be able to. And I'll explain. It's called VCons. I'll explain it a little more later. Okay, so that's it. On the right side here, we have a test suite. So you can actually hit this button and you can talk to your assistant. Okay, here's the prompt. We don't need this. This is an outbound greeting. I have another greeting already prepped, which is really quite simple. Okay, here are the operations. This is kind of where the rubber meets the road. All of the complex stuff happens in these operations. So first thing we're going to do is create a booking. And the booking is, in our scenario here, is tying into cal.com, which is like a federated calendar application. So I can't show you my API key. I'm sorry. So I'm just going to obfuscate this screen here quickly while I do my thing. Okay, booking is in. Okay, deployment. We have a bunch of phone numbers in here, but I want you to have the experience yourself. So I live in British Columbia. You know, if Trump wants to make BC the 51st state, I mean, see here, 03040488. Yeah, sure. Grab that one. Like I say, you guys aren't paying for any numbers in the beta period. So that's the number. Let's go to assistant. Deployment. Pick the number we just bought. Number has been associated. Now, if everything went well, this should work, right? Let's give Sarah a call.
Hi, thanks for calling Moffett Beach Medical Clinic. My name's Sarah. How can I help you today?
Sarah, you sound very chipper. It's good to hear somebody on the good side of the moon today.
Thanks. Got to keep the vibes sunny, right? So what can I do for you today?
I like that. Yeah, I got a bit of a sore throat. I don't know if it's strep throat or what, but I need to come in and make an appointment or whatever.
Gotcha. A sore throat is no fun. Let's get you sorted. First up, can I grab your full name? And please spell it for me. Don't want to mess it up.
Yeah, sure. It's Eric Smith. Just like it sounds.
All right, Eric, can you spell that for me? Just to make sure I've got it right.
No, it's just Eric Smith. You can do it.
Oh, wait, Derek. My bad. Can you spell it out for me anyway? Just to be safe.
No, it's Eric Smith. Just like it sounds.
Got it this time. Eric Smith. Thanks for that. Now can I grab your email address? And yeah. I'll need you to spell it too.
Yeah, it's Eric Smith at snapsonic.com, just like it sounds.
All right, Eric Smith, snapsonic.com. Did I get that right? Or do you want to spell it out for me just to double check?
No, I believe in the system. You got it.
Haha, love the trust. All right, next up. What's your phone number? And is it a mobile?
Yeah, it is. Well, it's not a mobile, but I can get SMSs on it. It's kind of a fancy non-mobile number. Anyways, it's 604-337-7899.
All right, 604-337-7899. Got it. Fancy non-mobile, but SMS friendly sounds cool. Now, what's your preferred date and time for the appointment? It'll be a 30-minute slot.
Yeah, how about tomorrow, like 2?
All right, let me check if tomorrow at 2 p.m. works. Hang tight for a sec. Boom. You're all set, Eric. Your appointment is booked for tomorrow at 2 p.m. I'll send the details to your email, so keep an eye out for that. Anything else I can help you with?
Wow. Yeah, that was very efficient, Sarah. Nicely done. I've already got the event here. So thanks so much for your help. I appreciate it. See you tomorrow.
Oh, thanks, Eric. Glad I could help. See you tomorrow. Take care of that throat.
Bye. Okay, there you have it. Took a little bit more than 5 minutes, maybe. I'm not sure, but nailed it. For full transparency, it doesn't always go that way. Sometimes there's problems with the phone connection. Sometimes there's problem with the internet. Issues with the triple dubs. I don't know. Things happen. But this time it went flawlessly. So let's go and have a look-see at the call record. Okay, so let's go back to the home page. Take a look at the call record. Okay, so here you got some call records. You can download them all as a CSV using this download calls. Sentiment, which is kind of neat. Recording.
Hi, thanks for calling Moffat Beach Medical Clinic. My name's Sarah. How can I help you today?
This is kind of like where you're going to see the integration of econs. Mentioned them earlier. This is an open standard in the IETF. The metadata that you can extract from the calls is like just enormous. And what you can do with that data is really interesting. So we're going to be integrating that, and I'll be having a whole separate video on what vcons are and what they mean to the Conveyr community. And when we get closer to that, because we're still a ways away. But we're always interested in hearing your feedback, right? There'll be a little intercom or front widget thingy here that you can leave your comments, your feedback, ask for support. Even during the beta, we want to be kind of actively involved with everyone that's using this because it's going to help us build a better product, right? So this kind of deserves its own video as well. But knowledge base, this is using RAG, retrieval augment generation technique. Basically, you ingest the document or the website URL. It will parse the data and it will hold it in memory while the call is happening. So if the call is going on and you want your agent to have access to a lot more data than you gave it in the prompt, this would be the way to do it. If you guys are interested in getting into Conveyr and you don't want to take the time to reach out to me and tell me what you're trying to do, because that's all it takes, just email me, eric@conveyr.ai, ERIK @Conveyr, CONVEYR.ai, and tell me what you want to do. And if you want to, if you like this, but you want to have something more specific to your use case, maybe you have a CRM that you want to get into. Maybe it's HubSpot. Maybe it's Follow Up Boss, which is what a lot of the Canadian real estate agents use. One of those things, then we'll give you a quote for doing the integration and it'll function much the same. Okay. I think I've rambled on long enough. This video is going to be pretty long. I'm going to have to do some serious cutting. I love this. Stay positive, Canada. Rock on, USA. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.